This is a 2008 CRF150R. It wouldn't run. I put a new carb on it, CDI on it, top end on it, timed it, shimmed the valves, still wouldn't run. So finally I was like, okay, it's gotta be timing. It's gotta be the spark. I put a new spark plug in it, nothing. Well, finally I was like, I need to check the flywheel. The woodruff key's bad. So this bike, it would only try and start when you sprayed gas in it, in the intake, and it would only just kind of stumble a little bit, and it'll only do that at full throttle. Yeah, woodruff key. There's still a piece of it in there somehow, but yep, there's the woodruff key. Definitely not supposed to look like that. So.